Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix Jeep Wrangler seats. First, you'll want to identify the specific problem, whether it's a loose frame, a broken recliner, or worn upholstery. Next, gather your essential tools, including a socket wrench set, screwdrivers, and possibly some pliers. Always prioritize safety by disconnecting your Jeep's battery before you begin any work to avoid electrical issues. For common issues, start by tightening any loose bolts on the seat frame. A good socket wrench will be your best friend here. If your seat feels saggy, you might need to replace worn-out seat springs to restore proper support and comfort. For recline problems, carefully inspect the mechanism for broken components and either repair them or install new parts as needed. Beyond structural fixes, you can also improve your seat's appearance and comfort. Small tears in the fabric can often be patched effectively with an upholstery repair kit. If your seat feels flat, replacing the foam padding can significantly enhance both comfort and support. Finally, consider adding durable seat covers. They offer protection and can give your interior a completely fresh look. Once your repairs are complete, thoroughly test all seat adjustments, including forward, backward, and recline functions, to ensure everything operates smoothly. It's also a good idea to lubricate any moving parts to prevent future stiffness or annoying squeaks. And hey, while you're tackling projects, remember that making meal prep easy with leak-proof containers can save you time and hassle. Check the description for a link to those, plus other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.